All right, this is the Micron group for our demo, and we're gonna show what we have so far. Right now I'm gonna do the back end side of it just by running through the terminal. So we're doing similar to what we all did in 361 with the DFA states. Similar, right now we've got the start state and we have a description for that state since Micron's gonna want a description for what their process is doing. This is more of a teaching lesson for them. So if we if we type in next, then it's going to take them to stage 2, and it's also going to tell their description. And if we hit back, it's going to take us back to the start state. So I'm just going to do next all the way to the end. And then some of their stages can repeat themselves, so this is just an example of what they would see as a repeat stage. Then we're in the final. So in here, we haven't quite gotten to the point where we can have a regular like lowercase exit or lowercase next or back. It needs to be capitalized right now. If we don't do any of these three, then it will automatically kick us out. But if we do hit next here, then we're gonna go back to the start state. If we try to go back on the start, then it's just going to stay at the start because we don't want to end that loop there. So if I type something else, then it's just going to give us this message and kick us out. And that's what we have so far for the back side. Then right here, we've got the front side. So this is Angular TypeScript. Right now, this is just the HTML. We don't have a whole lot working here. We haven't connected the backside yet. We just have the page itself. And this is what the page looks like so far. Right now, we're working on the design aspect and getting these next and back buttons to work. So what we want these buttons to do is we just want to show this first process here. We don't want 2 and 3 to show up yet. But when we hit next, then 2 is going to show up under process 1 like it is here. And if we hit back, then it's going to disappear and only show process 1. So that's our plan for the end of the week, is to have that working and also to have this look a little bit prettier because right now it's looking kind of gross.